Hi, I'm Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair, known as the Crackman, and I'm here with the king. That's right, the king of condominium insurance, Brendan Kilcoyne, VP of H&K Insurance Company. Now, this has been a mild winter here in New England, or I should say in Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and Connecticut. Maine and New Hampshire have had some cold weather, but we really haven't had. But I know this comes up a lot, is ice dams. Now, Brendan, who covers the ice dam damage when this happens?
Yeah, I mean, as you said, it's been a mild winter this winter, at least around here, but in 2015, we can't claim that.
No, we can't.
If you're a condominium association and you were around in 2015 in Massachusetts, I believe it's about a 65% chance that you had an ice dam claim. So when it comes hard and hits a lot of units and a lot of associations. It falls under the same rules as any typical water claim would. So the association will pay for the damage depending upon their bylaws. So if their bylaws or if their insurance policy says that the interior of the units is covered by the association, then that's what's going to cover it. Mind you, there will be a deductible associated with that. And what we've seen over the past few years is more companies going to per unit deductibles for ice dams and for water. And the situation there essentially makes each unit its own separate claim with its own separate deductible, whatever that deductible might be. And it spreads out the risk for the insurance company because if one unit has $3,000 worth of damage and there's a $5,000 per unit water deductible, they're not getting paid anything. But if another unit has $15,000 worth of damage, they're getting $10,000. So they save on that $3,000 hit from that unit that had the smaller damage.
Thanks a lot, and hopefully we won't have some ice dams in years to come.
Hopefully.